So, you're thinking about a move into China? You know, it's a market the size of a continent, and let's be honest, choosing the wrong city can be a really costly mistake. So where do you place your bet? Well, in this explainer, we're going to cut through all that complexity and show you the urban powerhouses that are really driving China's future.
Okay, let's just dive right in. The biggest hurdle for any investor, really, is China's massive scale. It's not just one market, it's a collection of powerful, totally distinct economic zones. Making that right choice can feel overwhelming, but the stakes, they're huge. You get it wrong and you're just burning through precious time and capital. But if you get it right, wow, the potential is almost limitless.
In figuring out that landscape is exactly what we're here for, to give you those expert insights you need to save time, save money, and ultimately make much smarter decisions.
So, to understand where the real opportunity is, we need to follow two fundamental forces. Think of them like two powerful tides that are shaping the future of every single city in China. First, the flow of capital, and second, the migration of talent. Because where these two tides come together, that's where you'll find the epicenters of opportunity.
First up, let's follow the money. And on the macro level, there is no contest. Guangdong province, the manufacturing heartland right next to Hong Kong, is the undisputed king. It holds almost 39 trillion yuan in deposits. I mean, that's more than 10 trillion yuan ahead of its closest rival. It is an absolute economic engine. But, and this is where it gets really interesting, when we shift from the big picture to individual wealth, a completely different story emerges. If you look at savings per person, Beijing and Shanghai are just in a league of their own. The average person in Beijing has nearly 3 times the national average just sitting in savings. This isn't just wealth, it's an incredible concentration of personal capital.
So what's this really telling us? It's that there are two different stories of wealth happening in China at the same time. You've got these massive economic engines like Guangdong province, and then you have these concentrated pockets of incredible individual affluence in cities like Beijing and Shanghai. To find the real opportunities, you have to understand both sides of that coin. But you know, capital is only half the story. A city's future, that's ultimately decided by its people. So now, let's follow that other crucial tide, talent.
And when we look at where the next generation of innovators and workers, the post-95s, are all moving, a very clear pattern emerges. Shenzhen, Beijing, and Shanghai are the top 3 magnets. But notice who's number 1. It's not the capital, it's not the financial hub, it's the tech powerhouse, Shenzhen. So here's the key idea for this whole explainer. The premier cities, the true A-list destinations for investment, are the ones that are absolute masters at attracting both capital and talent. So let's take a closer look at these champions.
We're going to start with the nation's nerve center. Beijing isn't just the political capital. It's a heavyweight champion of finance and influence. No doubt about it.
This number pretty much says it all. Over 356,000 yuan. That is the highest average personal savings rate in the entire country. That represents immense consumer power and a really deep pool of private capital right there in the heart of the city.
So Beijing's real strength lies in this unique blend of power, wealth, and people. It's the command center for politics and finance, it's a top 3 magnet for young talent, and it's home to the wealthiest residents in the entire nation. Okay, next stop, China's most cosmopolitan city. If you think of Beijing as the center of power, Shanghai is the country's main connection to the entire global economy. This one statistic right here tells you everything you need to know about Shanghai's role. A surge of over 14% in foreign currency deposits. That shows that international capital feels right at home here. It's the undisputed hub for global trade and finance.
So what's the big takeaway? Shanghai is an economic juggernaut. It has the largest GDP of any city in China. Its financial markets are deeply woven into the fabric of the world economy, and it consistently pulls in a flood of elite university graduates. All right, let's move on to a city that, just a few decades ago, was little more than a small fishing village. Today, Shenzhen is synonymous with China's technological ambition. It's literally the future, being built in real time. Number 1. That single number says it all. For 3 years running, Shenzhen has been the top destination for China's ambitious youth. Now that's not just a trend, it's a powerful statement about where the next generation sees its future. So why is it such a magnet? Well, it's been called China's Silicon Valley for a reason. It has this culture of just relentless innovation, where speed and experimentation are valued above everything else. With over 25,000 high-tech companies and way more accessible residency policies, it's created a perfect storm for ambitious young people to move there and build something new.
Okay, beyond that top tier of Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen, there are two other megacities that absolutely demand your attention. They represent distinct, really powerful opportunities in their own right.
First, you've got Hangzhou, which is the heart of China's digital economy and e-commerce giants, and it's a top 5 city for young talent. Then you have Guangzhou, the historic capital of global trade and the anchor of Guangdong, China's wealthiest province. The way to think about it is tech challenger versus trade titan.
All right, so we've seen where the capital is flowing and where the talent is going. We've profiled the top 5 urban powerhouses. So how do you put all of this together to make the right choice for your business? Well, this table really breaks down your strategic options. If you need to be close to policymakers or high finance, you're looking at Beijing. If you're focused on global trade, Shanghai is the clear leader. For cutting-edge tech, Shenzhen is without a doubt the premier launchpad. For anything in e-commerce, it's Hangzhou. And for manufacturing and supply chains, Guangzhou is king.
So the real takeaway here is this: there is no single best city. The challenge and the opportunity is to find the right city for your business, the one whose unique ecosystem of capital, talent, and industry focus aligns perfectly with your goals. So the only question left is, where are you going to make your move?
Our whole mission here is to bring you practical knowledge to help you navigate business, investment, and culture in China. From economic trends to communication tips, our goal is to give you actionable insights for win-win solutions. Your comments, they really encourage us. So if you found this valuable, please press like and subscribe now. That way, you won't miss the chance to better understand and succeed in trades with China.